Hey guys, welcome to today's video. We're gonna be discussing good, affordable, cheap makeup that is not gonna break the bank, but will totally impress you. These are things that I have currently discovered while researching for other videos, and I feel like I have gotten distracted and I'm not doing those videos fast enough, and I wanna bring you guys this one. So basically I have a bunch of stuff from Catrice, Essence, Makeup Revolution, all things that are just like shockingly priced the right way because I would pay a lot more for them. I am wearing a bunch of this makeup right now. This is not a first impressions though. This is just me having tried the products over and over and over and realizing that there's not a lot of hype surrounding them and they need to be talked about. You guys need to know about these items. So let's just dig right in with something that I have been priming my face with when I want to do the illumination trick. Now, I don't always reach for this. It has to be on a day when I know I'm gonna be very, dewy, juicy, like the skin is not gonna be as heavy. When I reach for lighter makeup and I don't go like full cover, I like using this from Catrice. This is called the Light Correcting Serum Primer. You're supposed to shake it before you use it, so make sure you do that. Give it a good little wiggle. And it comes out in drops. I only take a couple of them, literally like 2 or 3, go like this, and I kind of just massage the skin and pull it almost outward. And it does make your face look really shiny. So do not be shocked because you will put this on and you'll be like, ooh, like my pores look a little bit crazy right now. So don't be alarmed by that. Just like try it out, keep going. Because if you put a pore filling primer on your more problem areas on top of this and then your foundation, it looks great. Like it makes your skin look better and drenched and hydrated and not greasy. It's not so potent that you're gonna use this just as a highlighter. It's just something that is going to enhance the skin. You can also mix this in with foundation, which I have done that as well. Now they have a foundation and a lot of people are like, oh, it's a dupe for the Fenty foundation, like ingredient wise. I still wanna order that and get my hands on that because we all know I love their concealer so much. I think there's more in their range that I would totally fall in love with. So leave me your recommendations below. Let's keep going with Catrice right now. They have these kind of jelly highlighting Aqua Fresh. Isn't that toothpaste? What a funny name, right? So this is called Water Lights, this shade right here. And I did use this as my base today. And whether you use this alone or you use other shadows on top of it, which I did, I kind of like piled things on today. Either way is fine. Like this is great on its own for like a little bit of just a little slick kind of a highlight shiny moment, and it does not budge. That's what I like the most about this. It's very squishy and putty like. Just look at that. It just smooths right on the lid. It does not cling. So if you have any texture or lines on your eyelids, this is gonna be great for you. You can just leave it like that and it will stay, like it's very budge proof, or you can grab more and layer it on up. And sometimes with cream shadows, when you continue the layering process, it can get bunchy and almost cling to drier patches on your eyes and just get kind of crunchy and gross looking. You guys know what I'm talking about. This does not do that. Ooh. Do you guys see that? It's like the weirdest texture. It kind of feels like you're not getting anything on your fingertip, but you are. This one is called Luminous Sensation. It's 020 and it is just, oh my God. These are so beautiful. Holy freaking smokes. And they stay put. I mean, you put this on your eyes, you go out, you do your day. It does not matter the weather, the humidity, whatever you are doing, it is just gonna be just like stuck there until you decide that you're done with it and you wash your face. Let's move on to a new mascara that I am so into. Wearing it right now, you can really build this up. And you guys know I have loved Essence mascaras for a long time. They have a mascara that comes in a skinnier purple tube. I have not repurchased it because I have been using Lash Paradise, and then I got this in the mail and I started using this one and I was like, holy smokes, they've done it again, because this you can build and build and build. It does not transfer onto the lid, at least for me, and that is a big like bonus with a mascara because I just have the kind of eye shape where I feel like whenever I put on mascara, it just jumps right onto the lid. This does not do that. It lengthens, it volumizes, it's great on the lower lash line. I feel like you can touch up your mascara with this halfway through the day if you want to add more. Some mascaras you do that and you just look look like Spider Central. You're just like full tarantula on your eyeball, and I don't think any of us are really going for that look. I love this mascara. So let's move right into Makeup Revolution. They brought out like every shade under the sun as far as glitter and loose pigments, and they are stunning. They are difficult as crap to get out of the package. Like, you have to kind of poke a hole in the little sifter here. At least that's what I had to do. So don't even like attempt to scrape the plastic off. You will be there for an hour. So this right here is the shade Goody Two Shoes. And this is one of my favorites because I love anything peach. You guys are gonna like flip out. Look at this. Oh my God, it's so good. Like, I can't. I mean, like, oh my God, it's so good. If you could see it in person, you'd be even more impressed. And that was just like a little soft sprinkle. You would have to seriously go hard every day of your life for like 5 years to get through a jar. That's what I love about pigments, and they do last a long time as well as far as shelf life. This is beautiful. Goody Two Shoes is like the perfect summer shade. I feel like this would be flattering for so many different skin tones. You can wear this on the eyes. You could definitely highlight with it. You could even mix this in with a gloss and create a lip gloss that's very uniform with the rest of your look. So I'm really into pigments right now, and this one really impressed me, but their whole range, like they have so many colors, you guys. This one right here is called Minted. Oh, F my life. Look at this. It's like got this weird green gold iridescence. It's like a light minty green gold, and then it has this peachy undertone in there. Really interesting colors. I think they hit a home run with all of these, and the glitter is also freaking beautiful. Like, the colors are stunning. So these, you definitely want to use a glitter glue, but I'm just gonna kind of show you. Oh my gosh, I'm like literally coated in glitter right now. Okay, I'm gonna have to do an insert of this one up close for you guys because this is so special. It is the perfect champagne glitter, and this is the Glitter Bomb in Interrupted. I don't wear glitter that often, but I think that shade is really pretty, and you can do some fun stuff with it. It's so funny, actually. Okay, I have to say, I was watching old videos of mine recently, kind of actually making fun of them and thinking about maybe doing like a reaction to my first year or something like that. And it's so funny looking back and thinking that people got on me for my age back when I was 27, and I stopped wearing glitter for a while because I was bullied that much that people were like, you can't wear glitter at 27. Like, it's not for old ladies, which who calls someone who's 27 old, first off? But I wish I hadn't let that direct what I liked. And as I'm sitting here like going, ooh, ah, glitter, like there is this voice in the back of my head that's like, but is that appropriate? And then suddenly, like right now in my life, I'm in this space where I'm like, who cares? Like, if you like it, wear it. So maybe you will be seeing more glitter on me in the near future because I do love it like so much. It's just like, attraction. Let's chat about these from Essence as well. These are the Glossy Love Sticks. If you have been wanting one of those like glossier balms with color that's really shiny, I know Marc Jacobs just came out with a similar thing, but you don't want to spend like $5 million on a lipstick, then you can get this from Essence. They are beautiful. They are super glossy, super pigmented. They go on like a dream. This is my favorite shade right here. I'm wearing this underneath another gloss. This is the shade Sweet Frosting, and then I also really love Rose Whip, and then for a darker shade, Berry Gold. I did actually put a ton of these in a giveaway. I'm doing so many giveaways right now, you guys, and they're the easiest thing to enter. Just be subscribed, comment on my videos. I choose at random. Look at this. Ooh, just like, oh my gosh, can you even believe that these are like a couple of bucks and you get that color payoff, the shine, the juiciness, easy to apply, great applicator. Like, I love everything through and through. And then this, oh my gosh, this I have had in my beauty closet waiting to be tested and tried. I was gonna do like a dedicated OMG because I was like, oh, it's a lip cushion. And I just never got around to it. And then I was like, screw this, I'm just gonna put it on and test it out. And I love this so much, you guys. Look at that applicator. It is perfection. It's the easiest thing to put on ever, and the color is so beautiful. They have a bunch of different colors, but you guys know me, I go straight for like shiny coral neutral. This one is just, oh, so gorgeous. Look at that. Yes, 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 yes. Another thing that I really, really love, this is from Catrice, and this is a balm. It does not look like a balm. It looks like there would be color in here, but there's not. It's just clear. And this is something that reminds me an awful lot of the Dior expensive enhancer balms, which are really beautiful, but those are, I think, like $36. If you want something like that that is just an enhancement to your lips, it's gonna fill in those lines, but it's not gonna look like you're wearing a ton of makeup or heavy lipstick or anything like that. It's just very, very natural. I think that you would really love this. It is called the Volumizing Lip Balm. Love the packaging. Everything is really, really stunning. I do have an eyeshadow palette in here that I think will blow your mind. Oh my goodness. Okay, the shimmers in here are beautiful. You guys know I get a lot in PR and I tend to immediately just like swatch, try, play. And when I was swatching these, I was doing just like the one swatch, which we're gonna do. And you guys are gonna flip out. It's just like the craziest thing ever to me. The texture in here, like I'm not pulling at all. Let's go for the blue. Not pulling one bit. Are you joking me? Oh my God. They are bringing it. They have upped their game. The BH Pro, I've talked about this a lot. This is 15 bucks. Not the most glamorous packaging, but honestly for $15, it's kind of like, who cares? I used this today in my crease. I love these. I like the shimmers in here too. Didn't use any of those shimmers today. I used shimmers from in here, but let me show you a few more. Just the texture on these is unfreaking real. I kind of just can't. Like I really was not gonna talk about these, to be honest. And then I was swatching, and of course then I started wearing these and I was just like, wait, like who does a formula this good for such little money? Shut the front door, right? Oh my God, stop it. Look at that. Okay, so this is Hideaway. Like they have bigger pans where you can do highlight. She's running out of room. It's just dream come true formulation. I swatch expensive things all of the time that don't even come anywhere near what this one does. It's bananas to me. So this is the new, I didn't even say the name of the palette. This is the Desert Oasis palette. This is what the inside looks like. So you do get a couple of mattes, but it is dominated by just beautiful shimmers in here, and you have a section that's great for highlighting the face. I really enjoy this. I enjoy how they wear. I enjoy how they apply. Beyond just the swatches, they do apply really, really well. That palette, I just checked on Trendmood, is $22. I don't have a discount code. Trendmood just said that she has a code for 5% off if you use Trendmood. Just save a little bit of cash there. Really, really good. I have a few more things. So I want to mention the collab blush from Sally's. I'm dipping my toes back into the Sally's Beauty waters. You guys know I did a video. It did not go well. I bought a bunch of their makeup. It was a hot mess, but I have been trying more, and they're a wonderful company, honestly. Like they reached out afterwards. They did want me to try more products. I am finally getting around to it. And I have to say this collab collection, which is made collabing with other influencers, this is a beautiful collection so far. So this particular blush called Soft Spot, it is a sheer blush. It blends so nicely. You never have any streaking with this, which is the thing that I like the most about it. I'm just gonna kind of pump up my blushiness right before your eyes. It's so nice. It's so nice. I am definitely intrigued to try more because again, Sally's is very, very affordable. And if they have good makeup there, then great. Another thing from Makeup Revolution that I've been using a lot is this right here. I believe I showed you guys this in a haul, or did I try this on camera? I can't remember, but honestly, this made its way front and center to my vanity where I'm using things every day of my life pretty quickly. And that says a lot because the two that I have in my little eyeliner thing right now are Pat McGrath, really, really good liquid liner, and then this Makeup Revolution. It does not bleed in your inner corner. It applies really smoothly. I've used it over and over and over and over, and it has not dried out. So this is for the win, as is the Catrice Strobe to Glow Highlight Stick. I love using this underneath other powder highlighters, and it kind of just locks it in a little bit more, especially if you're doing a more dewy natural look where you're wearing something not so full coverage and you want to go in with a bit of a cream and then add your powder highlight, and it just makes everything lock in and just kind of punch through just a little bit more. I really, really love this. The texture is just like so nice. It's not overly in your face. It's just dewy enough to do the job, and I love it. All right, you guys, so that is it for all of my most favorite new cheap items, affordable items, items that are not going to break the bank, that will impress you for their low dollar price. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, please give the video a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, be sure to hit the subscribe button, and then while you're there, turn on notifications, drop it down to all. I am here Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday at 10 a.m. PST with new, fresh makeup that I either recommend, try on, hate on, do weird challenges. I kind of do it all. So I hope that you come back and hang out with me again soon. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah.